If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Epic Games, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the transaction you wish to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to your transactions. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Transactions or Purchase History to find a list of your recent transactions. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. In the Transactions list, locate the pending transaction you want to cancel. It should be marked as pending or in progress, indicating that it has not yet been completed. Step 4. Request cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eShrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After submitting your cancellation request, check your email or account notifications for a confirmation message from Epic Games. This will confirm that your request has been processed. If you follow these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel a pending transaction with Epic Games. Always keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your cancellation.